It's a common comeback, a failed starter covered in oil. So let's break down why replacing it alone won't fix the issue and how to prevent it. The starter converts electrical energy into mechanical rotation to crank the engine. It relies on clean, dry internal components for proper operation. Engine seals like valve covers, cam seals, rear main seals, and oil pans are designed to keep oil contained. When these seals fail, oil can leak externally and contaminate components mounted below, including the starter. Now, in some vehicle layouts, a rear main seal leak can travel along the bell housing and reach the starter, though that depends on how the engine and transmission are positioned. An oil-soaked starter can suffer internal damage to brushes and electrical contacts, leading to slow crank, intermittent operation, or no crank at all. Oil also attracts dirt, accelerating wear. Now, heat plays a role as well. On vehicles where the starter is located near the exhaust, oil contamination can bake onto the housing and internal components, forming a varnish or sludge. That buildup can increase electrical resistance and further degrade starter performance. Now, in real-world situations, a technician may replace the starter only to see the new one fail prematurely. That often results in warranty returns, but the real issue is the unresolved oil leak continuing to contaminate the replacement unit. So, verify the starter concern, then inspect for oil contamination. Check above the starter for leaks from valve covers, cam seals, or rear main seals. ASE diagnostic logic emphasizes fixing the root cause before replacing components. So the correct repair may involve replacing the failed gasket or seal. If immediate repair isn't practical, Barr's Leaks Oil Seal can be used to help restore seal condition and reduce leakage. To apply, add it to the engine oil, but don't overfill. Run the engine to circulate and then drive normally. Most leaks stop within a few days of operation. If the starter is oil soaked, the leak is the problem. Fix it or the failure will come back.